Hello YouTubers, today I have a review how to install a TV wall mount. So basically you need some basic tools here. You need a level. First things, you need a tape measure. You need a stud finder. This one will make your life easy if you're using in drywalling. So you press and then it will show the red light like this from the edge of the stud until the other edge of the stud. Then after that, you sure you measure 2 inch, then you drill your hole in there and make sure you got it right in the stud. So this tool will make your life easy. You need a drill and you need extra bits in there. I recommend you never use this for drywalling because you cannot support a TV on drywall, but you can do the fasteners. Fasteners for the old version drywall, it works very well. But the new version of drywalling, it's basically like cookies. It's not gonna support your TV. And the second thing, if you're moving your TV from sometime you want different angles on that TV, so that would not recommend you to use this, please. Use your stats, use proper screws. At least if you got 4 screws or 2 screws in the stat, that will make your life easy. So let's start and show you the result for this installation for this TV mount. So we set up the TV bracket. Now we're gonna set up the wall bracket. The first thing we're gonna do is we have to measure everything in here. So my TV is 37, which is like, let's measure it again. Yeah. Okay, it's 22, so I'm going 26, 4 inch from the wall. Okay, so 22, that's plus minus, sorry, 26 minus 4 is 22, 22 and a half. So I give it 26 and a half. That's good in here. My TV will be in this area and the bracket will be here. So I'm gonna be facing the TV towards the bed, and that's how we're gonna start with it. Let's see. Okay, first thing we got here the stud finder. Okay, we're gonna do the stud finder. I'm gonna press here. Okay, I got one in here. And I'm gonna come from the other side. I got the side. I'm gonna use this diagram here. So that's the one I'm gonna be following. The top of the hole will be in here exact. And yep, this is what I'm gonna do. 1, 2. This one is C. So everything is square. I'm gonna just use this just to drill the hole. So yeah. Okay, I got 2 holes. One. Just to make sure everything is 2 and 3. Okay, I got my stuff in there, like the holes are exact. Now I'm gonna take this bracket here. So some of them you have to follow the pattern. You see how I have the arrow facing up? So you need to have these gaps here facing up. So how are we gonna do it? Make sure everything is level. I don't have to mess up these things. Okay. Bump. See how I'm blocking it here. Then I'm gonna go this way. Just wanna put this. It's perfect. this angle. Okay. Holes in the wood, so that way I don't have a problem with breaking the wood. You see? Just not to break the wood. There's always the first hole with the big screws. It makes it chip. Now I'm gonna put the TV bracket. Okay, so I'm watching for the arrows. It's always going up. It's always in the perfect spot. I got mine ink bracket. Okay, that's the first one. We're gonna go on the second one and we'll work on that. Here is it, and then the level. Yes. Wow. This is awesome. This is how you do. Okay. You first, you hold it on your hand. You go this way, all the way straight. Okay, we got this one. So basically, I have the shower behind here. So I want to make sure everything is perfect, which is we did. That's the stud. So we didn't hit nothing. Just to double check, sure everything is good. I am okay. I'm good in here because this is the stud. My shower actually, it's on the other side. It's actually all the way here. So that's no problem for me. Good and beautiful. I hope everything will work the way we need it. Just press. Okay, that's done. That's done. That's done. Oh my gosh, I'm putting all my weight. Look. Look. Wow. This is almost... Okay. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, the TV wall mount, actually it's done right now. Look, this is the result here. And this is what we have. You see, I got all the screws like on just the back of the TV. You can just go this way, very easy. Look, it's awesome. Okay, this is how it looks. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Garage work. That's my